Welcome to Time Slice, where we cut through time one day at a time. August 7th carries echoes of tragedy and progress, from lynch mobs in Indiana to the first photo of Earth from space, and from colonial power to independence, science, and survival. Let's dive into the stories that shaped this remarkable day. In the first week of World War I, German troops invaded Belgium, targeting the fortress city of Lynched. On August 7th, the occupation began. Belgium's resistance delayed Germany's advance and made headlines across the globe. Did you know tiny Belgium's stand became a symbol of national courage? Across the Atlantic, something horrifying happened. On this day in 1930, a white mob of 2,000 people lynched Abram and Thomas Shipp in Marion, Indiana. Photographs of the hanging shocked the nation, later inspiring the haunting song, "Strange Fruit." A third boy, James Cameron, survived and later founded America's Black Holocaust Museum. Ever heard that a photo changed how the world viewed American racism? Just 3 years later, tragedy struck in Iraq. On August 7th, 1933, more than 3,000 Assyrians were massacred by Iraqi forces in Sumail village. It became known as Assyrian Martyrs' Day, a reminder of a genocide that history often forgets. Why do you think some atrocities fade from textbooks, while others are never forgotten? In Austria, the University of Innsbruck's theology department was forcibly closed by the Nazis. It was part of a wider purge of academic and religious dissent. One more reminder that silence can be imposed, one institution at a time. The Nazis also took Alsace-Lorraine back from France on this day in 1940. Once again, Europe's borders were being redrawn by war. Have you ever traced how many times that one region changed hands? In the Pacific, a major U.S. offensive launched on August 7, 1942. The Battle of Guadalcanal, America's first ground assault against Japan. It was brutal, but it turned the tide in the Pacific. Imagine being 19 years old, fighting in a jungle thousands of miles from home. From war to wonder. On this day in 1956, Explorer 6 transmitted the first television photo of Earth from orbit. It was grainy and gray, but a big milestone. It was the first time that humanity looked back at itself from the stars. What would you say if you could send one message to Earth from orbit? And on this day in 1960, Ivory Coast declared independence from France. It became part of a wave of African nations breaking free in the 1960s. Today, August 7th is their national day, and a proud moment in African history. A different kind of war began in 1970, one between silicon and strategy. The first ever computer chess tournament was held on this day. It was the seed of artificial intelligence, decades before Deep Blue, AlphaZero, or ChatGPT. Can you believe it all started with a chessboard? Born on August 7th, 1903, Louis Leakey, paleoanthropologist who reshaped how we understand early humans. 1960, David Duchovny, actor from The X-Files and Californication. 1975, Charlize Theron, Oscar-winning actress from Monster and Mad Max Fury Road. Died on August 7th, 1941, Rabindranath Tagore, Indian poet and first non-European Nobel laureate. 1970, Judge Harold Haley, killed during a courthouse hostage standoff in California. Weddings of the day. In 1995, rapper LL Cool J married Simone Johnson. In 2010, British pop star Robbie Williams tied the knot with actress Ada Field. And that's August 7th. From lynchings and massacres to independence and orbital views of Earth, this day holds tragedy, triumph, silence, and science. But what stood out the most to you? The image from space? The Guadalcanal assault? Or James Cameron surviving a lynching? Make sure to let us know down in the comments. Like, subscribe, and join us tomorrow as we continue cutting through time, one powerful day at a time. Until then, keep on exploring, right here with Time Slice.